So in this video, we're just going to look at the issue we had that our local API, why when we tried running our application locally, why it's trying to hit our live API. So the reason actually has to do with the bundling. So in our Angular app, our production environment, so when we build for production, it will use our production API URL. So when we use the ng build inside of our, I believe it's inside of our main file, we're actually going to see this URL actually gets bundled in here. So if I do a search, if I say find in files, actually, you know what? Sorry, I'll do this inside my server. When I do find and find in files, and I search for Heroku, we can actually see in the bundle, the main, it includes this right here. So that path to that environment variable, and if I go to Heroku, we actually see it, it's bundled right here. It reads that server variable. So when we then copy, when this is running in our public directory, it's actually looking for our live URL. So when we're using the bundle, it's going to point to the live URL. So for development, we don't actually want to run this here. We would need to run it. We'd probably want to run the unbundled version here on localhost 4200, just for testing. So it is working the way it's intended, that this production variable gets included in our Angular bundle that we then push. So we're not actually going to make changes. There's really no way around this because we do want our production API server in the built Angular bundle. It shouldn't be pointing to our localhost 3000 in this case. It should be pointing to our live NodeTunes domain.